Dear brothers and sisters, how many times some of us having fight with our own parents? Sometimes we are abusing our friends' parents. Is it a very big sin? Let us review the hadith number 8.4 as given in Bukhari. Prophet ﷺ said, it is one of the greatest sin that a man should curse his parents. It was asked, O Prophet of Allah, is it possible that a person will abuse and curse his own parents? The Prophet said, the man abuses the father of another man, and the latter abuses the father of the former and abuses his mother. Dear brothers and sisters, what are we learning from this hadith? To abuse anybody's parents or your own parents, it is one of the greatest sins stated by the Prophet ﷺ. Can you imagine if you abuse your own parents? Will be much more severe sin that we have to go through. Now, whatever is done, ask forgiveness from your parents and ask forgiveness from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and respect your parents. Above all, try to serve and please your parents. Thank you.
Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammadin wa ala